In the spirit of Halloween, this is almost October, I'm going to be doing a make and create, paint your own tea light holder. And it's a De Las Muertes skull version. It's kind of created itself. Yeah. I think you just paint it. Oh. It's got a little paintbrush. Everyone's favourite bubble wrap. I can get the paints out. That's what it looks like. Tempted to just have it like that, but nah, gonna paint it. These are the colours. Shame no red. This is orange, black, blue, green, and tiny pots there. You don't have to add water to them or anything. No, you just paint it as it is. So paint it, and then I'm going to be quiet for a bit, so I'm going to add some music whilst I paint, and then I will be back with you. So let's go. Talk to you in a little while. Enjoy the video. Once I decide what colours to go with, that is. I messed up there. I gotta go grab some toilet roll. I'll be back with you shortly. Got some toilet roll for the paint. Blue back on. Oh, that was a bit. He's got a bogey now. Press that one down a bit too hard. Change colour again. Put the green back on. Let's go with. See what the white looks like. Need like fine hands for it, but I ain't got fine hands. So it's got like really intricate patterns just on the side there. So I'll give it a go. Oh, the colours mixing, so maybe not. White doesn't come up very well because it mixes with the other colours. I guess you might do it with more than one paintbrush. Let's go with black. It's got a bit of black there. Maybe should have put something down. That'll be alright. I'll clean it off in a bit. So. So to go compare mustache guy. I kind of messed that one up. Should really get some more colours, but it looks good so far. Minus the messed up mustache. There's not really much to paint on it, to be fair. We'll go with orange next. Yeah, that's basically it. My teeth are white and that, so I might put my name on the back. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as that. Looks right, and it's pretty decent for what I got it for. Down at the works. It's only £2. Get all ready for Halloween. Give something for like your sons and daughters to do and stuff, instead of like going out and playing trick or treat, which to be fair, even I still do sometimes. Like with all the toilet rolls and stuff like that. Just wind people up because it's kind of part of Halloween. Yeah, so that is create Dallas Muertes themed tea light holder, and I've actually got some tea lights with me somewhere. They're not the candle ones because people have a big hoo-ha about candles here for some reason. These are LED tea lights, so it would be battery ones, tiny little batteries. So when I get that sorted, I will do a short video to show you what it looks like. Speaking of videos, I'm going to sit here and enjoy popping some bubble wrap, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!